Welcome to the Save Club Compensation Plan video. Save Club pays out 5 different ways, and we are going to break down and explain all 5 so you can understand and maximize it. Before we get into how we pay, let us make it simple. Here is how your genealogy trees are set up. You have an enroller tree and a matrix tree. First, let's talk about your enroller tree. These are people that use the website we gave you and signed up through that link. Your enroller tree will also show your people's signups and their people's signups. All of the people you sign up go to your first level of your enroller tree. There is no limit to how many people you can sign up and put there. The same goes for all of your people on their levels. Your enroller tree is what ranks are based on. You should always aim to hit a rank and do what it takes to get to the next rank. Here is how to hit our ranks. Ranks are based on active members, meaning people that are paying monthly or yearly. Our first rank is 1 star. All you need to do is sign up 2 personally enrolled active members. The next rank is 2 star. To achieve this, you must have 20 active members in your enroller tree organization, with no more than 6 coming from any individual enroller tree leg. To hit 3 star, you must have 100 active members in your enroller tree organization, with no more than 30 counting from any individual enroller tree leg. To hit 4 star, you must have 500 active members in your enroller tree organization, with no more than 150 counting from any individual enroller tree leg. To hit the top rank of 5 star, you must have 2,500 active members in your enroller tree team, with no more than 750 counting from any individual enroller tree leg. If everyone keeps aiming to hit the next rank, this growth naturally happens. Before we get into what bonuses pay out, let's talk about when we pay out. We offer 2 types of pay, weekly and monthly. Everyone loves a weekly paycheck. The bonuses that get paid out every week are the fast starts in VIP, then every month we pay out on the matrix, check match, and bonus pools. Now let's break all this down. Now let's discuss the 5 ways we pay. Number 1, generational coded fast start commission. Number 2, 2x16 forced matrix commission. Number 3, generational matching bonus. Number 4, yearly VIP membership bonus. Number 5, monthly global leadership bonus pool. Let's talk about generational coded fast start commission. On anyone that signs up for the $19.97 per month and the $60 affiliate fee, you would make $20 on that, paid the next week. Plus, as you advance in rank, you will get paid even more on anyone you personally enroll. Plus, earn coded generational fast start overrides as your team duplicates, allowing you to earn up to 40% on your personally enrolled members and up to 15%, which would be $12 on everyone in your entire team on their initial order. Next up is matrix commissions. This is a different tree than your personal tree. The faster you join and pay, the higher you are in this fast-filling matrix. You will earn 2.5% per level, up to 16 levels on the $19.97 monthly fee, where you can earn up to $4,095 unranked, to $65,535 per month if you rank up to 4 star and above. It is paid monthly on the first Friday, starting in the 2nd month. The first month goes to fast start commission. You can also give and receive what is called spillover. In the matrix, you only have 2 spots on your front line below you in your matrix tree. So if you bring on 2 people and get a third, that third person would go under one of the 2 because your first line is full. The way our matrix works is that it fills all the left spots first, so every one of your people will get someone below them. So the more people you bring in, the more spillover your team would get, but you can also have a team above you that will also give you spillover to help fill up your matrix that you get paid on, which is exciting. Let's talk about generational matching bonuses. On top of what you earn in the matrix, Save Club pays you a percentage of what your team earns, up to 5 generations deep. You will match the entire matrix commissions of everyone you personally enroll in Save Club between 20% and 57% as you advance in rank, and up to 37% on everyone else in your enroller tree organization that were enrolled by other team members. For example, if you are a 3-star ranked affiliate and you personally enroll 10 people and each earns $4,000 per month in their matrix, you'd earn a 47% match, 20% personally enrolled match, plus 12% first-generation 1-star match, plus 10% first-generation 2-star match, plus 5% first-generation 3-star match on each of their matrix checks. That's $1,880 per person, or $11,200 in monthly commissions, just from your direct enrollments, and not even counting what you will match on everyone else in your enroller tree, what you earn in your own matrix, or any of the other parts of the compensation plan. Generational matching bonuses are paid with matrix commissions the first Friday of each month. Let's talk about yearly VIP membership bonus. When you choose to enroll at our yearly VIP membership level, plus affiliate fee for $299.97, you will earn up to an additional $10 on all members in your enroller tree organization who do the same. The VIP membership bonuses pay 3 generations of VIP members in your organization. First generation, $10, second generation, $5, third generation, $3. If you are not a VIP member but enroll one, the bonus goes up to your upline VIP member. Yearly VIP membership bonuses are paid out each Friday with the coded generational fast start commissions. Let's talk about the last bonus, monthly leadership bonus pools. Save Club sets aside a full 4% of total revenue to be paid out through our leadership bonus pools. Once you achieve 2-star rank or above and enroll just one new member for the month, you'll share in the bonus pool for that rank. Monthly leadership bonus pools are paid out each month with other monthly commissions. Each affiliate will only participate in the bonus pool of their rank. In other words, 4 stars don't also get a share of the 2-star or 3-star pool. For watching, also remember, while you're making money, you can start saving money right away. It's not hard to save hundreds of dollars every month with Save Club. The optimal scenario for wealth creation is now in place. This dynamic compensation plan has the power to put part-time income, full-time income, or even big-time income into your life. As a Save Club affiliate, you can follow this plan and achieve financial freedom.